Construction sites can be dangerous places, with workers facing a wide range of potential hazards on a daily basis. From falls and electrical shock to equipment accidents and more, it's crucial that construction sites prioritize safety to protect the well-being of workers. One of the most important aspects of construction site safety is the use of personal protective equipment, or PPE. This includes hard hats, safety glasses, hearing protection, and more. Workers should be trained to use PPE properly, and to know when it's necessary. Another crucial aspect of construction site safety is equipment and tool inspection. Workers should be trained to inspect their equipment and tools before using them, and to report any defects or concerns to a supervisor. This can help prevent accidents and ensure that workers have the tools they need to complete their tasks safely. Working at heights is another common activity on construction sites, and it requires specialized training and safety protocols. Workers should be trained on the proper use of fall protection equipment and understand the importance of following procedures and guidelines when working at heights. That's where Najma Consultancy comes in. Our construction site safety training program covers all of these important aspects of construction site safety, as well as providing guidance on how to implement these measures in a practical and effective way. The program is designed for construction managers, supervisors and workers, and covers everything from risk assessment and incident reporting to equipment inspection and PPE use. Ensure your construction site is safe with Najma Consultancy's training program. By doing so, you are fulfilling the moral, legal and financial obligations of your company. Najma Consultancy, the right choice since 1997. Overall, construction site safety is essential to protecting the well-being of workers. Najma Consultancy's training program can help construction sites ensure that they are taking the necessary steps to operate safely and protect their employees. For more information and booking, contact one of our customer support team at 0434533761. Visit our website at www.najmaconsultancy.com. Email us at najmauae@eim.ae. We are also on Facebook, YouTube, LinkedIn and Instagram.